Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Option Pit. It is the home for option volatility and option education. Well, we still got plenty of volatility. Mark's blog last night, is it time to go long? Right? But here we are. So let's see a couple of things that we have going here, right? Basically, volatility closed, VIX closed 40. It's dropped 9 points on the open. Okay. Oops, I got to do some muting. Okay. It looks like all the action from the Bank of China seems to be doing something. Here, Marks. All right. Anyway, so what do we have? We have vol coming. It's coming a bunch from this crazy day yesterday. Going into the close, it was it looked like it was a sale potentially. And I have to say, it remains to be seen what happens. Where it looks like we want to just sort of retest the highs from yesterday. We traded as high as 194 and change, something like that, before it sort of backed off to close around 190 yesterday. And let's see what happens essentially. I'm not quite sure what happens with volatility at this point. What I do know is I'm not sure much has changed since yesterday. So you still have crazy backwardation. The September pressure is still up as long as VIX is staying around 30. The future started to sell off this morning pretty hard, and now they're slowly making a move back. So products like VXX, where it was down over $2 this morning, $2.50, it's coming back. UVXY down $8, but again, all these products are starting to make just a little move back. Okay, so we'll see if these rally bounces really hold. That's, I think, the key thing. So keep an eye on the vol products, keep an eye on the vol futures. They took a lot of, I guess we'll just call it sort of the panic number out of the market yesterday, like 40 volatility. It's around 3%, 2.5% per day. Some of that has come out, but we're still looking at a 2% per day average for the next 30 days. Okay. And keep an eye on the big stocks like Apple. Kept trying to rally, and it sold off from the high. So all these stocks have kind of pulled back just a little bit. And, VXX again could end up being a buy because don't forget, backwardation is working for the product. So even though we're having the huge drops in vol, I can't say that it's over yet, right? And I think one of the most troubling things too is a lack of treasury response. I know there's kind of the hot money issue going about with raising rates and things like that are, basically selling dollar-denominated assets. But normally when you have this kind of a market panic, people are rushing to treasuries and they're not. So there's definitely like a little feeling of brokenness going on there. All right. So like Mark said yesterday in the blog, he would buy VXX on those rallies. He couldn't believe it, but there again, we traded 22 on the opening, and that was almost, what I'm going to say, that was like the low print there, 21.5, and we since marched right back up again. All right. That's what we've got for this morning. I will see all of you guys. And I think what we'll do too is we'll start looking for some upside premium to sell. Maybe some kind of upside broke wing flies, starting to place things because the vol is still so darn high. And just place things up at that upper level. That's where the market would have to really work to get back up to where we were. All right. All right, everybody. Have a good day.